Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a table of contents for your Word document. Now, as you can see here, I already have a document, a one-page document. Now, table of contents are especially useful if you are working on larger documents. So imagine you had a 200-page document and you needed to create a table of contents. You can add a table of contents to a document by typing all the chapters and page numbers manually. But not only is this a lot of work, you also have to remember to update the table every time you make a change. In this video, we're going to skip the manual method and focus on a much better way, automatic table of contents. And here's how that works. So the first thing you need to know about setting up a table of contents in Word is that in order to do it properly, your document has to use headings. So let's do that first. In the Home tab, we've talked about headings in a previous video. We have our headings. So place the cursor before the line that you wish to be your heading and select a heading style. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and Publisher. So my headings are ready. Now, these could also be called Part 1, Part 2, Section 1, Section 2, Chapter 1, Chapter 2. It doesn't really matter what you call them. Now that my document has headings, I can just go to the Reference tab. And in the Table of Contents group, click on Table of Contents. Now you can see lots of options here. We have an automatic table number 1, automatic table number 2. You also have the option of setting up a manual table, but we won't be doing that right now. Let's stick to automatic table 1. Okay, now notice what I did. The table of contents was inserted where my mouse cursor was. That's not where I wanted it. So let's undo that. And I would like it inserted right here. So let's go again. And here's my table of contents. Now it spreads up to the second page. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, all on page 1. This is not the right way. I would go to the Insert tab and insert a blank page. Blank page. Here's my blank page before my document. So let's try inserting our table of contents here. Reference, table of contents, automatic. And here we are. Now, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all my headings are on page 2. Now on the Home tab, I could use different styles for my table of contents, but these styles would apply to the whole document, not just my table. So be aware of that. Whatever changes you make to your table will apply to the whole document. Keep that in mind. Now, at the Reference tab, Table of Contents, You can find more tables of contents from office.com, or you can customize your table of contents. So you can customize as you like, make the changes that you like, and click on OK. Replace. Okay, I didn't make any changes, but okay. Now it's important to always update your table of contents whenever you make a change to your document. And this can be done automatically by clicking on Update Table in the References tab. Word is updating the table of contents. Select one of the following options. Do I want to update the page numbers only or the entire table? Okay, so let's make a change to our document first. Let's insert and make this into a heading. Access. Okay, now it wasn't automatically inserted into my table. I need to update it. So let's go back to References, Update Table, and I want to update the entire table, not just the page numbers, because I have some new information in my document with a new heading. Okay, and there is my new heading, Access. Now, how can we remove our table of contents? We click on it, click on the arrow here, Table of Contents, and choose Remove Table of Contents. And it's gone. Okay, now let's bring it back. Okay, so you can see how useful this would be within a large document, a large essay, a thesis, writing a novel, extremely useful. That was the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.